Good morning, class 4 children. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well and your schools are going to open very soon. But still then, in between, we'll continue our online classes. Today, I am going to teach you about an important topic, and that important topic is compound words. In simple word, if I ask you what is word, a word is a combination of different alphabets or letters in a proper sequence that makes a sense. If I say apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, here different alphabets are combined together to make a sense. When we combine different alphabets, it makes an apple, and that apple means save. So children, in the similar manner, we have compound words also. So before telling you the definition of compound words, let me start from the back side of the stage. And what is that? Compound words. I am giving a simple word, and that word is friendship. See children, this total word is a combination of two words. If you listen carefully and see carefully, this two word is a combination. This word is a combination of two words. What are those words? Friend and ship. If we isolate this word, then we get friend and ship. When we are isolating this word, we get friend and the other is ship, which have different meanings. Friend, as you all know that friend means or near and dear ones, those who are close to us, and ship means the one, a vehicle of a water. Okay, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. But as soon as we combine these two words, it forms friendship. And friendship is nothing but it is what? It is a noun. Friendship is a noun. What type of noun? It is an abstract noun. Our friendship is very nice. We cannot see our friendship. I have taught you now what is abstract noun. That noun which cannot be seen but can only be felt. जिस संज्ञा को हम सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हैं, उसे देख नहीं सकते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रेंडशिप, दोस्ताना हम देखते हैं, वो तो महसूस की जाती है ना, कितनी अच्छी हमारे बीच में बॉन्डिंग है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेंडशिप. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड which is formed by combination of two words, a word which is formed by combination of two words is called compound word. Clear? A word which is formed by combination of two words is called compound word. What is compound word? A word that is formed by the combination of two words, two different words, is called a compound word. Let me give you one more example, and that is spaceship. This is a combination of two words, spaceship. If we isolate this word, then they have different meaning. But when we combine these two words, they have the same meaning. What is that? Spaceship. Spaceship. What is spaceship? Spaceship is a. What is spaceship? Spaceship. What is spaceship? What is spaceship? Come on, tell me. What is spaceship? Is there anyone? Spaceship. What is spaceship? It is the means by which astronauts travel in the solar system. एक means of transport है spaceship. Satellite. We say that. So, children, this is a word that is formed by the combination of two words, and that type of word is called compound word. Can you give me one more example? Can anyone give? I have given two examples: friendship, spaceship. Okay, you children, please write in the comment box. And remaining children, those who are sitting here, can you tell me any one example? Please tell me. Come on. I have given friendship, spaceship. One more compound word, so that I can conclude my online class. Come on, tell me. Come on. Compound word. I have just told you a compound word is such type of word which is formed by the combination of two words. दो शब्दों को मिला के जो शब्द बनता है उसे कंपाउंड वर्ड कहते हैं. Come on, tell me. You are studying in English medium school. You should know even one compound word. Tell me. See children. What is this? No. Green board. White board. Blackboard नहीं है यहाँ पे. Waistcoat. Sir is wearing a waistcoat. Any more?
Sir, word meaning.
No, word meaning.
Sir, space bar.
Huh?
Space bar.
Space bar. Very good. So understand. So this is what compound words. Is that clear? Whenever a word is formed by the combination of two words, that is called compound word. Is that clear? Okay, children. Have a nice day. I hope you are enjoying this video. Okay, children. Bye.